I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too, with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. In this fascinating interview, host Tom Bilyeu explores the mind-bending theories of Donald Hoffman, a cognitive scientist specializing in the study of consciousness. Hoffman challenges our common assumptions about reality, proposing that what we perceive as the physical world is more akin to a computer simulation or virtual reality game. Just as video game characters cannot fathom the underlying code creating their reality, we too may be embedded in a reality generated by processes beyond our comprehension. To support this hypothesis, Hoffman points to modern physics experiments that undermine long-held notions of object permanence. At the quantum level, physical objects seem to exist only when directly observed, suggesting our perceived reality gets rendered on the fly based on what we're interacting with. Hoffman uses thought experiments about shared virtual worlds to illustrate how each player renders their own view, yet a deeper coordinating system creates persistence across views. He speculates our perceived universe similarly emerges from a complex conscious realm beyond space-time. Hoffman believes consciousness, not physicality, is fundamental. Mainstream science currently assumes consciousness emerges from physical brain activity. However, Hoffman argues that since quantum experiments show matter lacks inherent existence, it cannot generate consciousness. Instead, he proposes consciousness intrinsically has experiences described as qualia. Relationships between qualia probabilistically trigger further experiences. Hoffman formalizes this as Markovian dynamics to create mathematical models grounding his theory. A key motivation for Hoffman is making sense of subjective experience and insights from evolution. Standard evolutionary theory suggests our senses should accurately perceive objective reality. However, his research shows evolution would more likely favor perceptions guiding adaptive behavior over truthful perceptions. Thus, evolution alone cannot explain the richness of conscious experience. Hoffman speculates spacetime itself serves as a headset, rendering a constrained approximation of the limitless possibilities available to fundamental consciousness. Different organisms represent variations of this headset, filtering qualia streams to fit specific niches. Hoffman hopes formalizing qualia dynamics mathematically will eventually relate properties like mass and charge to qualities of experience. This could provide testable predictions to verify or falsify his framework. Much remains speculative given the immense complexity Hoffman posits beyond space-time. He notes even mainstream physics has only begun probing beyond space-time in the last few decades. Hoffman stresses the need for humility given how consistently scientific history overturned intuitive assumptions. He actively welcomes critiques and falsification of his models, seeing this as essential for scientific progress. Bilyeu challenges Hoffman on implications of consciousness existing without physical substrate. They discuss intrinsic limitations in formally modeling consciousness and whether subjective experience requires temporality. Hoffman argues timelessness need not negate rich experience or exploration. He notes even mathematically there exist infinities beyond infinity, offering infinite possibilities to fundamental consciousness. On whether artificial intelligence might manifest consciousness, Hoffman argues current AI lacks scientific explanation for subjective experience. He proposes interfaces like VR could grant consciousness new qualitative possibilities beyond our narrow human perceptions. Hoffman speculates interfaces may essentially serve consciousness wishing to explore its potential through varied constraints. Overall, this cerebral dialogue provides much food for thought on the deepest mysteries of reality and consciousness. Hoffman's unconventional perspectives aim to spur reconsideration of long, unquestioned assumptions about the cosmos and our place within it. His theories may unsettle intuition, but potentially offer more coherence to perplexing aspects of human experience and the strange, quantum realm underlying our perceived world. The interview offers a trove of mind-stretching concepts from one of the boldest theorists taking on the enigma of consciousness itself. For those open to probing beyond the frontiers of today's scientific worldview, Hoffman provides a highly original guide to territories awaiting our imagination and understanding. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.